It is really important to us at the University of Exeter that we constantly maintain and improve our facilities, which is why some of our self-catered residences are undergoing essential repairs and improvement works. All of the blocks undergoing works are situated in popular areas on campus, and if you live in an affected block, you will pay less per week whilst the works are carried out. There are two types of works planned: updating the exterior of the building, and in some areas, refreshing the shower room flooring as well. So, what will it be like to live in a block affected by the exterior works?
I found out about living in an affected block when I inquired about moving to a studio, and I was told that there'll be a rent reduction, so I found that quite affordable. I've been kept updated through emails, through posters, going to reception as well. They'll notify us of anything that's going on, any changes. We're also told if there's going to be a stop in the work that's going on. I know it's quite daunting living in accommodation where there's some construction going on, but there's very little disruption, and you're still able to go about and have friends over and still study in your room.
And what will it be like to live in a block where the shower room works will be taking place?
So the experience for moving rooms for me, it was very smooth. I've got to be honest, I was really surprised. So the information I was provided by the university was exactly how many crates I would have to be able to pack things, the dates of when we'd be moving, when the crates would arrive, and all the practical things of we had two members of staff come in and move our boxes, and that was all done within half an hour. The advice I'd give any prospective student is just remember to plan what you pack, just because it makes life easier just for that week.
You can indicate your preference to live in an affected block when applying for accommodation. To find out more about the works happening on campus, including the blocks affected, visit the accommodation website.